Crafting a healthy morning routine to kickstart your day. In a world where mornings are frequently rushed and chaotic, developing a healthy morning routine can be a game changer. It establishes the tone for the rest of the day, influencing your mood, productivity, and overall health. Here are some simple but effective tips for creating a successful morning routine. Number 1, wake up early. Start by setting your alarm a little earlier than usual to allow sufficient time to ease into your day. Waking up early gives you a peaceful head start and eliminates the need to rush through your morning task. Number 2, hydrate. Begin your day with hydrating your body, whether it's a glass of water or a cup of herbal tea. Rehydrating after a night's sleep jumpstarts your metabolism and refreshes your system. Number 3, move your body. Incorporate some form of physical activity into your morning routine. It could be as simple as stretching, going for a brisk walk, or following a quick workout routine. Exercise releases endorphins, boosts your energy levels, and enhance mental clarity. Number 4, practice mindfulness. Dedicate a few minutes to mindfulness or meditation. Take deep breaths, focus on the present moment, and set positive intentions for the day ahead. This practice can help reduce stress, increase resilience, and improve overall well-being. Number 5, nourishing breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Opt for whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein to provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Avoid sugary processed foods that can lead to energy crashes later on. Number 6, set goals. Take a few moments to review your goals for the day, whether it's related to tasks, personal projects, or self-care activities. Having a clear plan in mind helps you stay focused and motivated. Number 7, limit screen time. Minimize your exposure to screens such as smartphones, tablets, or computers during the morning hours of the day. Instead, prioritize activities that nourish your mind and body, such as reading, journaling, or enjoying a leisure breakfast. Number 8, establish practices. Incorporate meaningful practices into your morning routine, whether it's a cup of coffee, spending quality time with loved ones, or practicing a hobby you enjoy. These practices add depth and purpose to your mornings, making them more enjoyable and fulfilling. Number 9, practice gratitude. Taking a moment to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Reflect on things that you're thankful for, whether it's health, relationships, or opportunities. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Number 10, be flexible. While consistency is key, it is essential to remain flexible and adapt your morning routine as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and there will be days your morning routine may need to be adjusted. Embrace the changes with grace and find ways to prioritize self-care amidst the chaos. By implementing these tips, you can create a healthy morning routine that nourishes your body, mind, and soul, setting the stage for a productive and fulfilling day ahead. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and listen to your body's needs. Remember, the quest is for good health, fulfillment, and peace of mind. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, please take care. LHLclub.com.